The vision of Rainforest Adventures is to conserve our natural resources by promoting a world-class ecotourism experience. Our Atlantic Park has been open for almost 22 years. We are a buffer zone to the Braulio Carrillo National Park, which is approximately 1 hour away from our capital city, San Jose. Well, we have a number of experiences here that they can enjoy. Our main attraction is the aerial tram that goes through the rainforest, and on top of that, we do offer trekking tours, birding tours, nature walks, zipline tours, among other things. In 2015, we were recognized by National Geographic as one of the top 10 adventure tours of the world. Also, we were recognized by the International Ecotourism Society as the world's most sustainable theme parks. At our Pacific Park, we have a tropical transitional forest that allows people to experience both the dry forest and the rainforest in one location. We offer numerous activities for people to enjoy. We have a world-renowned aerial tram. We have our mountain biking experience. We have a rock climbing and trekking experience. And on top of that, we have our nature walks, our terrariums, our butterfly garden, medicinal plant garden. So it allows people to have a vast number of options so they can spend a day at our park and enjoy their time.
The island of St. Lucia is a Caribbean treasure, and we are preserving its oldest rainforest, a tropical jungle paradise full of wonder and life. It is a perfect place to connect with nature's heart and explore the forest from a different perspective.
The mission and vision of Mystic Mountain is for people to come and to experience nature, to experience the thrill of the bobsled and the zip line, but to truly get a flavor of what Jamaica has to offer. Mystic Mountain is known for its bobsled. It really honors the 1988 Jamaican bobsled team that put Jamaica on the map as a Winter Olympic sport. It's an adrenaline rush. You get to feel nature, it's going by you so fast.
Panama has many hidden treasures, and we will take you to discover them.
Panama is a very modern city in many ways, but has a lot of history. Rainforest Adventures, they offer a lot of tours through the city and in the surrounding areas, as well as through the whole country itself. We'll have a bilingual guide that will take you in an air-conditioned coach. They have a lot of experience and they can look after all aspects of the tours.
We will give you expert advice and support for incentive events, corporate meetings, and theme parties. Rainforest Adventures. Real nature. Real fun.